They told you it takes years to master something, and they were right. But here is what they didn't tell you. You can learn enough in 2 weeks to change your life forever. 2 weeks is not for the mastery, but it is for a momentum. And momentum is where the magic starts. Think about the business that you have idea in your mind. Let's say you have a business idea in your head. You want to start business. You are just thinking and planning on your head instead of going out there and start that business. It feels heavy and impossible in your head. But what happens when you just go and do, just even if it is small, just try to do, and you're going to get a momentum. Think like it, 14 days, let's say you take 2 hours a day. That is 28 focused hours. That is more time than most people spend on their goal in an entire year. It's not that learning takes too long. It is we who spread our focus too thin. So if you want to learn skills, just take one skill and lock in 2 weeks. I promise you, you will never be the same. Want to learn photography? Forget about every other hobby. Spend your morning learning camera setting, your afternoon shooting, and your night reviewing your work. Want to code? Block social media. Watch only one tutorial. Build something small. Correct mistake. The secret is, number 1, intensity over duration. Go deep, not wide. Number 2, active learning. After you have learned, just try to do it, not just watch. Number 3, daily feedback. Review, improve, and repeat. Don't underestimate the compounding effect. Day 1 feel impossible, but day 7 you are getting it, and day 14 you are ahead of all beginners. No, you won't be a master in 2 weeks, but you will be dangerous. So stop waiting for the perfect time. Pick one skill today and lock in. In 2 years, I promise you, you will never be the same. So if this helped you, help me grow. If you didn't subscribe and you are watching me, please subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.